Hi everyone, my name is Kat and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Glean. Today I want to show you how I use Glean Prompts to set agendas with my customers on a recurring basis. So I wanted the prompt to make it very visual and fun and add emojis. So when I go to the Glean chat, I want to click on the prompts button here and I want to find my prompt, which is called Customer Agenda Recurring Creator. And as you can see here, I created a variable field for my customer, and I gave the prompt a lot of ideas of how I want this agenda to be created, but I didn't restrict it on what it will be looking for. So all I need to do is come in here and enter my customer name and run the script. Now what it's going to do is look across all the documentation I have with my customer, the gong calls I've had recently, any Slack messages we might have shared, and it's going to generate the agenda. I also asked it to hyperlink external documentation for any new features that we're going to be discussing. Let's see how it did. Follow up, external. Okay, it's pulling from some internal documentation, and I don't want it to do that. No problem though. I can easily come back to my prompt, give it a quick edit, and see if that fixes my issue. Customer agenda, edit. I'm going to expressly tell it only use documentation that has an external title. I'm going to save that prompt, and then I'm going to rerun my prompt with my customer. I can already see it's pulling in the right documentation. And if I click on this link, it should be external facing, which it is. So that's great. And there you have it. That's how I work with Glean.